Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make an Indian dessert, rice kheer. This can be prepared using just 3 basic ingredients readily available at home. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Take 1/4 cup of basmati rice. Wash it well and soak it in water for 30 to 60 minutes. Then drain the water and grind it for 2 to 3 seconds. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then add 1/4 cup of cashew nuts and fry them for 10 to 20 seconds or till they turn golden in color. Transfer it to another bowl. But leave a little bit of ghee in the pan. Then pour 1 liter or 4 cups of milk into the same pan. Add in the ground rice and mix well. Cook it in low flame for 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked. The complete list of ingredients is given at the end of the video. Stir occasionally. After around 20 minutes, the rice would be fully cooked. Now add in 1/2 cup of sugar. Add in 4 to 5 crushed cardamoms. Keep it in low flame for a further 10 to 12 minutes until the milk thickens. This simple pudding can be a lifesaver in times of sudden guests, as you can prepare this with just basic ingredients: milk, rice, and sugar. Turn off the flame as it will continue to thicken while cooling. Then add in the fried cashew nuts. And 1/4 cup of raisins. Then 1 teaspoon of rose water or rose essence. Mix them all. Let it cool down. You will serve it either warm or cold. This will thicken more while cooling. You can garnish with more nuts and raisins. If you have not subscribed to Cooking Craves, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Don't forget to check other recipes by Cooking Craves.